Hey, what's going on, guys? Another update. So this is the alien Aphrodisiac two plants that I have going right now, the only two. Stay tuned, I got two more coming up. But yes, this grow has been quite the another interesting one. Got to learn so much. The main thing I wanted to talk about is the soil that you grow in. So I'm growing in Promix, and there is a Promix HP and a Promix BX, and it looks like if you have the Promix HP, when you water the plant, you should notice that you water it a lot more frequently than with the BX, since the Promix BX holds a lot more water. Well, so this is where I think I got some issues with my leaf. You see how the leaves are drooping, because when I first got the dirt, I never knew I had the BX. Well, I never knew there was a difference. So I realized I had the Promix BX. So I read on it, and they said to water it once a week because it retains water and yada yada yada. But my temperatures are so like about 85 to 87 degrees during the lights on, and at night I'm only getting down to 77 degrees. And for whatever reason, I feel like maybe I was underwatering the plant, because the plant was just going through so much water that maybe the analogy of just the watering once a week or whatnot, it works, and it probably is like that. But if your environment is right, so again, it's one of those things where, depending on where you're growing and what your conditions are, it's just another lesson to learn, that you see somebody that tells you need to grow at this temperature and this humidity with this soil and that, and in the end, if your environment is completely different, then all of that really goes out the water, right? So stay tuned, I'll have more, just giving you guys an update. Until then, stay tuned, peace.